Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Marg ERP Solutions. Today in this video I will tell you the process of how to set software to Ask MRP at the time of creating sale and purchase bill in Marg ERP software. So, don't waste the time, let's start the video. Firstly, go to Masters option, then click to Marg Setup option and then click to Control Room option. A control room window will appear. The user will select Search in All option. Now a controls window will appear in which the user will search Ask MRP and then click on Accept option. In Ask MRP, on M for receive, A for always ask MRP, Y for MRP to tax, MRP to EXI on receive option. The user will now select A. Now the user will press Escape button in 2 times and then click on Yes option to save the changes. After following the above steps, the software will start asking MRP at the time of creating sale and purchase bill in Marg ERP software. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Drop a comment below to let me know what you think. And remember to hit that bell icon to get notifications. See you in the next video.